and welcome back to Nafi's North Facing Garden. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by, and if you're already part of the family, thanks for watching this video today. Now, a little bit of background, as I'm sure I have new subscribers. I actually garden in a new build property on a north facing aspect. So the theme on my channel is that I try to go after plants that are better suited to survive in partial shade conditions. Now today is going to be a belated unboxing video of a rose called New Dawn. This is a purchase I made a while back in January from a company called Paramount Plants. They deal with mature shrubs and trees, and these they ship nationwide for anyone who is interested. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. So this is a 1.7 to 2 meter tall New Dawn rose in a 10-liter pot. Now, New Dawn is a very old and widely famous rose. It is very popular repeat flowering, and it's believed to be the forefathers of most modern day repeat flowering climbing roses. It's widely popular and it's prized for its prolonged flowering season. It's got profuse displays of flowers that are light pearl with paler pink edge, which just changes to white as the flower ages. Now this can be very vigorous, and I'm sure I'm going to get I might get some comments saying this can be a very vigorous one, but with pruning, I believe I've read that you can keep it in check, which will not affect the flowering so much. Now this is the smaller specimen for New Dawn available from Paramount Plants, but currently I think they may be out of stock, because this is actually something I ordered a while back in the summer 2021, but it was out of stock, and I only got my shipment in January 2022. Now I think what's available now is the plant, which is about 2.5 to 3 meters tall, on the 3 bamboo canes. This actually has only one bamboo cane, but you can see this is like the main cane, and is beginning to put up laterals. For scale, I'll try to insert a picture, but yeah, it's about 2 meters tall now. So hopefully this will go on my trellis, which I recently constructed, and I look forward to its performance over the coming month, and I can give an update at some point to see how it performs in the partial shade. Thanks for watching if you made it till the end. This is New Dawn rose on a bamboo, and it's about 1.7 to 2 meters tall from Paramount Plants. Thanks for watching. Bye.